Morning to all students of class 6. This is online teaching video number 22. So in our exercise 3.4 I have discussed question number 1 to 5 and 6 which I have given you to homework, but here we will discuss again the question number 6. So question number 6, find the greatest number that will divide 445, 572 and 699, leaving remainders 4, 5 and 6 respectively. So I have earlier told you when the numbers gives the remainder same in each number, then will be subtract the same number. When the number is different as a remainder, so we will subtract 445 minus 4, that is equal to 441. 572 minus 5, so 567. Then 699 minus 6, so we will write 693. So there are three numbers, 441, 467 and 693. So in these numbers, first of all we will compare the two numbers, or we will take the two numbers. Suppose we will take 441 and 561. So SCF of 441 and 567. So in both numbers, 441 is less than 567. 441 divided by 567. 441 1 ja 441, 6 2 1. Now remaining number is 126. So now 126 becomes the divisor and 440 becomes the dividend. Three ja 3, 6 ja 18, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6. 1 2 6, so 63 2 ja 126. So now we will say, or we can write that SCF of 441 and 567 इक्वल टू 63. जो 63 है हमारा ये 441 और 567 का SCF आ गया. नाउ देयर इज अ वन नंबर इज ऑल्सो remaining in which we have to take the SCF. So now we will take the SCF of 63 and 693. So here the 63 is the smallest number. 693. So now we will multiple 9 3 ja 27, 9 6 ja 54, or we can say in easily 61 1 ja 63, 6 61 ja 63. So we can analyze the SCF of 441 and 567 and the given remaining number 693 is 63. So we will write here SCF of 63 and 693 equal to 63. So 63 is the SCF of 441 and 567, and the SCF of 63 and 693 is also 63. So we can say that the 63 is the greatest number which will, when we will divide by 63 to 445, 572 and 699 gives the remainder respectively 4, 5 and 6. So number is 63. So to find out when the remainder cases RSCF is given, so we will subtract respectively, because 445 minus 4, so we get a 441. After that, in a second number 572, there is a remainder 5, so we will subtract 572 minus 5 equal to 567. After that 699 gives the remainder 6, so we will subtract 6 from 693. Now the number becomes 441, 567 and 697. So among three numbers, first of all we will take a two numbers. So we will consider here two numbers, that is 441 and 567. So SCF of 441 and 567 becomes 400. Smaller number is 441 and the bigger number is 567. So 441 से डिवाइड किया जाएगा 567 को. 441 जा 1 जा 441, we give ja 126 when we subtract 441 from 567. After that we will divide 441 from 126. So there is a 3 times of a division, divide the number, so we get a 378. When we subtract 378 from 441, then there is a 63. Now we will divide 126 from 63. So 63 to 126. Here we will write the SCF of 441 and 567 equal to 63. Now the 63 is the SCF of only a two number. That number is 441 and 567. So now there is a remaining number 693. So we will take here SCF of 63 and 693. So 60, when we will divide 693 from 63, so we get a 63, 1 ja 63 or 63 1 ja 63. So it is divisible 11 times. So our quotient, our number is whole divisible. So we can say the SCF of 63 and 693 equal to 63. So we can say that the 63 the SCF of whole number 441, 567 and 693. So the our number will becomes, the answer becomes 63. Now we will discuss the next question. Question number 7. Find the greatest number that will divide 398, 436 is 436 and 452 leaving remainder 7, 11 and 10 respectively. So this is also the similar question from the question number 6. So here we will give you some guidance to solve this question. 398 minus 7, 391, 436 minus 11, so 425, 452 minus 10, so 442. हम रिस्पेक्टिवली जो रिमाइंडर है उनको नंबर से सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. आफ्टर सब्सट्रैक्टिंग इन नंबर्स को सब्सट्रैक्ट करने के बाद फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये 2 नंबर ले लेंगे और लिखेंगे HCF ऑफ 391 एंड 422. तो पहले आप 391 और 425 का HCF निकाल लेंगे. HCF निकालने के बाद जो HCF का आएगा फिर उस HCF को 442 के साथ HCF निकालेंगे और जो नंबर आ जाएगा वो हमारा ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर होगा. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व ऑल स्टूडेंट्स बाय योरसेल्फ. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट वन. Determine the longest tape which can be used to measure exactly the length 7 meter, 3 meter 85 centimeter and 12 meter 95 centimeter. So now question number 8. meter, 3 meter 85 centimeter and the third one is 12 meter 95 centimeter. So we can observe that one number is in a 7 meter and other is meter and centimeter. The third number is also in meter and centimeter. So we will convert all numbers into a centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 7 meter equal to 700 centimeter. 3 meter 85 centimeter, 385 centimeter. 12 meter 95 centimeter equal to 1295 centimeter. Now we will take the SCF. So first of all we will take the 2 numbers. So SCF of 700 centimeter and 385 centimeter. So in a both numbers 700 centimeter and 385 centimeter. 385 is a smaller number, so we will divide 700 by 385. $315 now. 70, 35, 'So SCF of 700 centimeter and 385 centimeter equal to 35 centimeter. So this is a SCF of 2 numbers. Now the third number is remaining. So here we will write SCF of 35 centimeter and 1295 centimeter. 35 divided by 1295. So 35 3 ja 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja 10, 9 plus 1 10. Eight 5 ja 40, 8 3 ja 24. So 35, then we divide 1295 centimeter to 35. So we will analyze that this number is divisible by 37 times. So we can say that the length equal to 35 centimeter. So our answer becomes 35 centimeter. So all students solve question number 6, 7 and 8 in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.